No one hates you like a narcissist who thought you would never leave. They spent months or years carefully breaking down your self-esteem, isolating you from your friends, and convincing themselves they had you completely trapped. In their mind, you were supposed to tolerate their abuse forever. But when you finally gathered your strength and walked out the door, you did not just break up with them, you shattered their biggest, most delusional belief, the absolute certainty that you would never leave them and that they would always be the person to call it quits. You survived the exact psychological cage that was designed to completely destroy you, and their ego cannot handle that defeat. I'm Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional. Welcome to my channel. Today we're breaking down 5 reasons why nobody hates you more than a narcissist who thought you would never leave. Stay until the very end because this is going to be really interesting. Number 1, you broke their delusion of absolute control. To understand a narcissist, you have to realize that they see themselves as the grand architect of a massive maze. Throughout your relationship, they carefully built tall walls of confusion around you. They used gaslighting, lies, and silent treatments to keep you lost in the dark. In their mind, they were standing high above the maze, looking down at you, smiling, while you ran in circles trying to figure out how to make them happy. They felt like a god because they controlled your every move. But when you finally chose to leave, you did not just solve the maze, you took a sledgehammer and smashed right through the walls. You walked into the open air. This creates a burning hatred inside of them. By leaving, you proved that they are not an all-powerful architect. You broke their favorite toy, their delusion of control. They hate you because your freedom forces them to realize they're just a regular person standing in an empty field. Number 2, you survived the exact abuse that was designed to completely destroy you. Narcissists operate like a toxic demolition crew. Their goal was never just to hurt your feelings. Their goal was to systematically dismantle the foundation of who you are. They planted emotional dynamite under your confidence, your finances, and your independence. They wanted to make you so incredibly weak, so exhausted, and so completely dependent on them that you would not even have the physical strength to pack a bag. When you walked out the door, you proved that wrecking ball did not work. When the smoke cleared, your house was still standing. This drives them absolutely insane. They look at you and instead of seeing a broken victim, they see someone who took their absolute worst and kept walking. They hate you because your survival is walking, breathing proof that you are fundamentally stronger than their abuse. You beat them at their own twisted game, and their fragile ego will never forgive you for that. Now, before I move to number 3, I'm doing a workshop on how to break your trauma bond with a narcissist in 5 practical steps. I only do it twice a year. So this is your chance to join. For more information and to book your spot right now, click the link in the comments or the description. Number 3, you stole their power to be the one who drops you first. In the twisted reality of a narcissist, every relationship is a courtroom, and they believe they're the only one allowed to hold the judge's gavel. They truly believe they hold the ultimate authority to decide when the trial is over. They plan to use up every single drop of your empathy, money, and your love. Then, on their own timeline, when they finally got bored and found a new target, they were going to slam the gavel down and discard you. That was a script they had written in their head. But you stood up and walked out of the courtroom before they could even finish reading the sentence. You fired them before they had the chance to quit. You literally stole their grand finale. They hate you with a venomous passion because you robbed them of the sick satisfaction of destroying you on their terms. You flipped the script so fast that it gave them psychological whiplash, and they're furious that you took the pen out of their hand and wrote your own ending. Number 4, you proved their manipulation was not smart enough to trap you forever. A narcissist genuinely believes they are the smartest person in any room. They view themselves as a criminal mastermind of human emotions. They think their lies are bulletproof and their manipulation is invisible. For a long time, while you were trying to see the good in them, they mistook your empathy for stupidity. They thought they had pulled off the perfect heist on your soul, and they thought you would never be wise enough to figure out the scam. When you looked them in the eye, called out their toxic behavior, and walked away, you ruined their masterpiece. You were the mark who finally saw through the con artist. They hate you because you made them feel foolish. You proved their tactics were entirely predictable and actually quite pathetic. They realized that you were studying them just as much as they were studying you, and you finally figured out how empty they are behind the mask. Exposing a con artist is the fastest way to earn their permanent hatred. Number 5, you exposed the humiliating truth that they needed you much more than you needed them. This is the deepest, darkest reason for their rogue rage. A narcissist acts like a fake king sitting on a plastic throne. For years, they looked down at you and told you that you were lucky to be in their kingdom. They convinced you that you were nothing without them. But the reality is, a king is absolutely nothing without the villagers who do all the heavy lifting. You were the one providing the love, the stability, the emotional regulation, and the endless forgiveness. You were their favorite emotional punching bag, absorbing all their stress so they could feel good about themselves. When you left, you took all of your resources with you. Suddenly, the fake king is just a lonely, miserable person sitting in a cold, empty room, completely starving for attention. You exposed the ultimate humiliating truth. They desperately relied on your emotional labor to survive every single day. They hate you because your absence is the constant screaming reminder that you never needed them. They were the parasite and you were the host. And when the host walks away, the parasite panics. So when a narcissist realizes that you are permanently gone, their hatred is not a sign of your failure. It is the ultimate proof of your victory. Their rage is just the sound of a fragile ego shattering into a million pieces. You did the impossible. You broke the trauma bond. You saw through the illusion and you bravely chose to save yourself. Do not let their smear campaigns, their angry texts, or their fake victim stories pull you back into the dark. They're just furious that the demolition crew failed, the maze is broken, and the courtroom is empty. So with that, let's bring this episode to an end. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then, as always, let the healing begin and continue.